In a bustling lab, Dr. Whizbang announced, Eureka, I've discovered a cure for hiccups. His assistant, Tim, asked, How does it work? Dr. Whizbang grinned, It's a pill that makes you sneeze instead. Tim chuckled. So, we trade one problem for another? Dr. Whizbang nodded. Exactly. But sneezing is less annoying, right? They both laughed, imagining a world where people sneezed in unison. The lab echoed with giggles as they envisioned a sneeze symphony. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.